Okay, now I'm going to show you how to solve this equation with one radical. So what we are going to do now, let us arrange it properly. How we are going to arrange it properly, meaning this 5 will meet what? The x. Then this radical will move to the other side. Now let us arrange it properly. Now first take x. You know that here is what? Plus 5. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 5 to minus 5 equals to. You know that here is minus root x plus 1. When we cross, the sign will change from minus to plus x plus 1. So we have arranged it in order. Now, the next step, what we are going to do, we square both sides. Now let us square both sides of the equation. Now we say x minus 5 all square equals to root x plus 1 all square. This square cancels square. We are going to open this bracket 2 times because of this 2. We say x minus 5. We say x minus 5 equals to, we have now x plus 1. So we continue. We are going to take x, then we take the whole of this bracket, x. We take x minus 5. Then we take minus 5. We take the same bracket, x minus 5. We say equals to x plus 1. Now continue. We say plus times plus is plus, x times x. We are going to have x squared plus times minus is minus, x times 5. We are going to have 5x. Minus times plus is minus, 5 times x is 5x. Minus times minus is plus, 5 times 5, we are going to have 25 equals to x plus 1. So we solve. We say x squared minus 25 minus 5x minus 5x. We are going to have 10x. Whenever the sign are the same, you take one sign, then you add the two numbers, plus 25 equals to x plus 1. So we continue, collect like term. Collect like term, first take x squared minus 10x. Here is plus x, cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus x to minus x. We say equals to 1. Here is plus 25. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 25 to minus 25. We say x squared minus 10x minus x. We are going to have minus 11x. Whenever the sign are the same, take one sign and then what? Add the two number. This x is the same as what? 1. That's why we say 10 plus 1. We are going to have 11x equals to plus 1 minus 25. We are going to have 24 plus 24. We say minus 24. The bigger number carry the sign. Whenever the sign are different, here is plus, here is minus. Whenever the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract 25. You remove the 1, you are going to have 24. 25 and 1, which one is the bigger number? Is 25. 25 have a sign of minus. That's why we have what? Minus 24. So this is what? A quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is supposed to equals to 0. Now let us equate this bracket to 0. We say x squared minus 11x. Here is minus, cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from minus to 24 equals to 0. We say solve the quadratic equation So we have x squared minus 11x plus 24 equals to 0. So x squared times 24, we are going to have 24x squared. This one is the product. This one is the product. So the sum now is what? Minus 11x. Minus 11x is the sum. Now we are going to watch for two factors. These two factors, if you multiply them, you're supposed to have 24. If you add or subtract, you're supposed to have 11. Now let us find the factors of 24. Now 1 can enter into 24 without no remainder. 2 can enter into 24 without no remainder. Now let us try again. We say 24 divided by 3. 3 can also enter without no remainder. We say 24 divided by 4. Also 4 can enter without no remainder. And 5 can enter but there is a remainder. 6 and also 6 can enter, there is no remainder. 7 can enter but there is a remainder. And also 8 can enter, no remainder. 9 remainder. 10 remainder. 11 remainder. 12 can enter without no remainder. 13 remainder. 14 remainder. 15 remainder. 16 remainder. 17 there is a remainder. 18 there is a remainder. 19 there is a remainder. 20 there is a remainder. So and what? And 24 itself. So which number here, if you multiply that number among these factors, if you multiply that number, you are going to have 11. If you multiply that number, you are going to have 24. Which number? Now let us test. We are going to test. If we multiply 2 times 6 is 12, not 24. If we multiply 2 times 8, 2 times 8, we are going to do it step by step, okay? If we multiply 2 times 8, 2 times 8, 2 times 8 is 16, not 24. Multiply 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 10, 2 times 12 is 24. So we have 2 and 12. Now which sign we're supposed to put so that we can get 11? If we put plus and plus, we are going to get 14. That is not 14, it's 11. If we put plus or minus, you are going to get minus 10. Yeah, it's not minus 10, meaning forget about it, okay? Now we take 3 again. Take 3. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, not 24. Forget about 6. We say 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So let us see. If you multiply 3 times 8 is 24. But let us see which sign we are going to put so that we can have 11. So if we say 3 plus 8, if we say 3 plus 8, we are going to have what? We are going to have 11. So which sign is supposed to put so that we can have minus 11? So put minus and minus so that we have minus 11. So say minus 3x minus 3x minus 8x. This is what? Our factors. This is what? Our factors. Now our factors here, we say minus 3x minus 8x. This is what our factors. So we solve. So we solve the problem. So we are going to take x square. We take minus 3x. We take minus 8x. We take the last one plus 24 equals to 0. So write it again, x square minus 3x minus 8x plus 24 equals to 0. So bracket it, it's minus, bracket it 2 by 2. So what is common here is x, factorize x. X squared divided by x is the same as x. Here is minus, also put your minus. X cancel x, what is remaining is 3. Here is minus, also put your minus. What is common here is 8, because 8 can enter into itself without no remainder. And then what? 8 can enter into 24 without no remainder. So 8 cancel 8, what is remaining is x. Minus times plus is minus. 8 can enter into 24. How many times? Is 3 times, equals to 0. So we continue. So we are going to take one bracket, then we take the number outside the bracket. Okay. Now we take x minus 3, then we take x minus 8. X minus 8 equals to 0. So we take this, equate it to 0. We say x minus 3 equals to 0, or we say x minus 8 equals to 0. So we say x equals to 0. Here is minus 3, cos the equals to sign. The sign will change from minus 3 to plus 3. We say x equals to 0 plus 3 is 3. So x equals to 0. Here is minus 8. Cos the sign will change from minus 8 to plus 8. We say x equals to 8. So this is what you say, therefore x is what? 3 comma 8. So this is what our answer. Now let us check. Let us check our equation. So I like to check the solution. First take for this, I will say when x equals to 3. Now take the question again. The question say x minus root x plus 1. Whenever you see x, you put there 3 equals to 5. Whenever you are checking if your question, if your solution is correct, this side supposed to equals to this side. So substitute. Here is 3 minus. Here is 3 plus 1 equals to 5. Here is 3 minus. We are going to have 4 equals to 5. 3 minus square root of 4 is 2 equals to 5. So 3 minus 2, we are going to have 1 equals to 5. So we say, we take for the next one, we say x minus root x plus 1 equals to 5. So take for 8, we say 8 minus we say 8 minus, we say, now in this case, you know that we arrange it in proper. Okay, we arrange this one in proper. Now let us see again. We say 8 plus 1 equals to 5. We say 8 square root is 9 equals to 5. We say 8 square root of 9 is 5. Square root of 9 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3 equals to 5. We say 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, we are going to have 5 equals to 5. So if we put here 3 plus equals to 5, 3 minus is 4. So I would like you to subscribe to my channel, follow me for more.